Okay, YouTube, I'm here today with another video, aka another problem. I'm sitting here in the 2004 Honda Accord EX photo sedan, and I bought it, and it's having a problem where I drive and the battery light come on, off. Doesn't need a boost. Y'all hear that? It might crank sometime, it might not crank. Usually it's not going to crank. So honestly, I just need a solution. I checked my alternator cables. I bought a new terminal for the battery. I tried directly going to the starter off the cable, so I didn't try to really update. What's up, y'all, man? I'm checking back in. Okay, I figured out the update for the key. I can't show y'all right now, but I'm gonna show y'all in a few when I stop. Turn it. My key don't go to my doors. I didn't know. I wasn't really thinking that was a problem, but don't go to the doors. Watch this. Turn it and pull it out. Bang. Fire right up. Want to mess with me? Check me out, man. Like, comment, subscribe.